Hello everyone, welcome back to Elizabeth Collections YouTube channel, and today I am truly excited to share with you another bag from 𝐻𝒾𝑔𝒽.com, and this time I am reviewing this ever so popular, this stunning and classy Birkin 25 in calfskin with gold hardware. You see this very beautiful rich color, and I cannot wait to share with you my unboxing, the features of the bag, what fits inside, and my thoughts about it. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's the box that houses my most awaited bag of the year. This was sent by Hazel of Hazel Luxury, and it is forwarded from Germany. There it is. Beautiful orange box. There's the dust bag. Now here is the red Birkin 25 in calfskin leather and gold tone hardware. Size 25 is the most popular and most sought after size, and that's the reason why I have chosen this red Birkin on that size. Let's look at some features of the bag. So I see that the feet are quite protected. We have this silicones to protect them, and I think I do not want to remove that, but it's good to know that we have it there. And the feet are also gold tone hardware, just like the one we have here on the belt part of the bag, which is very distinct for this Birkin style of Hermes. There is also a protected film on top of the black, and also a silicone that is covering and protecting the 𝒮𝓬 right here. So let me lift this one. There's also this cloth that protects the belt part of the bag. So there you go. Wow, such a beautiful color and a pretty nice material also. This leather is not that heavy, but it looks so durable. Even the punte is also protected with a clear film. Let's check out the inside of the bag. And here there is a pouch and also the clochette. Here we see the lock and the keys. I will share with you how to put the keys to the clochette. So for this one, there are two ends. One has a smaller slit and one has a bigger slit. So we use the smaller slit right here. We put this key holder like so, and then we insert the other end to this smaller slit like this. Pull it. Push the end of the leather like this, pull it once more, and then it's up to you on if you wanted the keys to be showing or whatnot. Then like this. And then I saw some do like this instead. Could be here or whatnot, so yeah. There you go. Now let's talk about the features of the bag. The Hermes Birkin 25 is a compact handcrafted luxury bag known for its iconic design, quality materials, and meticulous craftsmanship. This features a flap top, a signature key lock, and a dual top handle. The dimensions of the bag will be 25 centimeters in length, and that is why it's called the Birkin 25. 20 centimeters in height, and 13 centimeters in width right here. The handle drop is 6.35 centimeters, making it suitable for carrying by hand or on the forearm, but not over the shoulder. It features two classic Birkin closure system that we see right here, including two leather straps we call sangles across the top, secured by a 𝒮𝓬𝑒 turn lock or Tourette turn lock closure right here, a leather covered padlock, and a set of keys housed in a clochette. The bottom of the bag has 4 metal feet called claw, which allow it to sit upright and help protect the leather base from damage. The leather is a durable, fine-grained calfskin that is scratch resistant. There are two style variations for Birkin 25, a Retourne and 𝒮𝓉𝒂. This is Retourne style, the classic style where stitching is on the interior, giving the bag a slightly softer, more relaxed silhouette. Now let's check out the interior features of the bag. The interior part, also leather lined with goat skin, features one single main compartment with one interior zipper part right here and one open slip pocket on the opposite side for essentials. Now to one of our favorite parts of my videos. We are going to talk about what fits inside this beautiful Hermes Birkin 25 bag. Jane Birkin have used her bag as an everyday carry bag, and it is full of her essentials, and just so many things could be found inside her bag. But we will find out what fits inside the 25 Hermes Birkin. First questions that I always get is if a full-size continental wallet fits. So this is that what we call like a long wallet. So this one is just a zipped one like this. And as you see against the bag, it would definitely fit inside it. So I will show you. And then, yes, now it's right there. Here is my 11-inch iPad Pro. I don't think that this would fit inside. It's way too big. So let's see. Yeah, it will struggle to go in. Oh, okay, it still fits, especially if you put it there in the middle. But then you will be needing to really choose the ones that you will have on your bag. And then it will also affect how your bag will look like, because I think I will wear it like this so it could be easily opened like so. So then you can put some things at the back of it or in the front of it. But that is if you really do need to put an iPad. For example, you are going to use this for work, but then might as well just carry a bigger Birkin instead. Otherwise, you can use a smaller iPad, like an iPad mini, and that's not going to be a problem. It will be fitting there very easily, and then you can fit more things inside, including a continental wallet. But me, I do not personally carry one, but I just want to show you that they fit inside. What I prefer to use is a card holder instead that has my card and some more important cards, which we can easily put either on the slit pocket right here or on the zipped pocket right there, so it will be more secured since it is an essential. So I'm just going to put it right there and then close the pocket. Now I will show you the things that I carry on a daily. My Kindle, of course. I love to use a planner to keep me organized. So here is a personal size file of facts and a pocket size file of facts. Sometimes I bring a mini also, depending on the bag that I bring. The personal size will definitely fit, but would consume a lot of space in the bag. And the pocket size organizers or planners will be smaller than the personal. But this time, I think that I will be bringing my personal size planner right here. And this is a file of facts Enigma. And I will put this at the very back of the inside part, just behind my Kindle. I used two phones, an Apple and an Android phone. So I have my Samsung Z Flip right here and then my iPhone. Both of them will fit inside like so. I always carry a fragrance, and this time I am choosing this Hermes Eau de Rhubarbe Écarlate. So I can put that here in the corner. I think there is a space for it. This rose gold pouch holds my power bank that is USB-C, so it powers both of my phones. I have my AirPods right here, and then also my keys, and that is definitely going inside the bag. This by 𝒮𝓕𝒂 palette in Peach Bomb has everything that I need. I have powder here, 2 blushes, and a bronzer, and of course a compact mirror, so that goes inside. And then for lipstick, I have my beautiful Tom Ford Lost Cherry right here, which suits the bag so well. So I am going to put that as the last item in there, and then that's about it. You can put a little bit more things. As you see, there is little room left, but I do not want to make it super full, and so that is the items that I carry on a daily, and those are the things that fits inside this beautiful Hermes Birkin 25 bag. Now to my review of the bag. I have used the bag for a week, and as my first impression, the moment I saw it, I was in awe. It is just so stunning. It is magnificent, so beautiful, so luxurious looking bag. And now I truly understand that this bag, when you carry it, it evolves. It makes you feel so different. It makes you look so luxurious. But you do not really have to pay for that super crazy expensive price, especially if you get the bag from 𝐻𝒾𝑔𝒽.com. They have so many different colors of the bag. They also have the different sizes there of both Hermes Birkin and the Hermes Kelly bag as well. I use this bag every single day of the week as my everyday carry, and I bring it on the way to work, at work, and a lot of my colleagues are loving it. It is just so special. They think that it's just so nice and classy. And the color is just so perfect, both for everyday or even for special occasions, because the red color is just so rich. It's perfect for the holidays, the upcoming Christmas, Valentine's Day, Chinese New Year, and there's so much more. There's just something about wearing a red bag. And the size itself is just so perfect, not so small, not too big, not too heavy at all. So this leather is not the heavy leather, so it's just very easy to carry, even though it does not have any shoulder strap or a crossbody strap. It's still just so comfortable to wear on the hand and then on the crook of the arm, especially for the petite ladies. Not a problem. You can still insert your arm on it, and I can truly recommend it. It's so beautiful, and it fits a lot of things also. As you see, a lot of my essential items for my everyday carry fits inside the bag. You can wear it dress up, you can also wear it casual. I think it would also fit if you're wearing jeans and a white t-shirt, because even Jane Birkin wears her bag on any outfit, and it's just so full of her stuff. I also want to hear your thoughts, so let me know what you think about the bag in the comment section down below. And if you wanted to get your hands on this beautiful bag or the bag on a different color, then go to 𝐻𝒾𝑔𝒽.com. You can even use my code EC888 and you will save 5% off on your entire purchase. Special thanks to Hazel of 𝐻𝒾𝑔𝒽.com for sending me this bag complimentary so I can share with you my thoughts and review of this bag. The direct link to this bag is on the description of my video, so go ahead and check it out. Also check out the previous handbag that I reviewed from 𝐻𝒾𝑔𝒽.com, and that is the very trendy and the ever so popular Chanel 25 small handbag in black shiny crumpled calfskin with gold tone and ruthenium finish metal hardware. Also check out all of the other bag review videos that I have here on my YouTube channel. I also have shoes, jewelries, makeups, and so much more. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section down below, and follow me on my social media. All of the links will be on the description. You can find me on Instagram at elizabeth.collections.ig and on TikTok at elizabeth.collections. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.